Hey, let's go. All right. Do you even want to go and no? Still in me and I'm over here to do it with my flow. People telling me, oh yes, I'm coming through your door. The people talk about the East and both the Cheerio. But still I'm over here to telling you what's on my mind. People talking about, oh no, I'm not surprised. I'm over here to looking you the upper in your eye. Some other people saying that, Jay, do you wonder why? Hey, but let me tell you all what is going down. But let me tell the other people, let me in your town. So let me tell you this and let me tell you that. I'm gonna tell you that you write your own check. Some people drowning over here, they're drowning in the hood. Some people saying the other people been understood. Some other been misunderstood, they say it's bad. I'm over here, some other people feeling says, hey, let me tell you though, but still I'm over here and I really wanna know. I wanna know the people when I do it on the show. The people telling me to send a J about the flow. Flowing every day and I'm flowing on my mind. Still over here to say that yes, so who am I? I'm the 10 letter and I feel so great. People telling me, but you know I'm not late. I'm late over here to with my vibe, with my roll. Still over here saying, here we go. People telling me, saying, Jay, I like your clothes. Still I'm over here and I bust a mind flow saying, hey, saying, do you even know me now? People telling me, Jay, need to settle down. Need to settle down cause it's about to blow now. People's over here trying to go and holler now. Singing this and I also sing that. Let me tell you, I'ma write my own check. Check in the bank, but it will not bounce. People's over here just writing about an ounce. Hey, do you even see I wear my flow? Everybody saying that yes, I want to rock my flow. Rocking over here and rocking on my own clothes. People trying to go and knock on my damn door. Looking up and you peeping through the trees. None of the people's over here, but you seeing me. Seeing me over here in the industry. Everybody saying, dang, what we gonna be? Hey, saying that yes, I keep it real. Yes, I'm talking about the when I battle with my skills. Skills over here and you know I'm ill. With the illmatic and I'm dropping my skills. People talking about when they want to get vibe. Still over here, some people trying to hide. But you can't hide trying to ride on my bag. Back over here, but I don't need that. Get it? Do you even want to get it though? People telling me, saying the J will flow. Still I'm over here to bust my flow. Other people coming to my door. People telling me what I'm gonna do. Yes, I'm over here to yes, I come for you. Everybody knowing what I'm gonna do. Oh yes, I'm doing songs just for you. Hey, now you got the J. Now you got the J.